Good morning, students. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today, we will study Maths of Class 7, Chapter number 3, Data Handling. Data handling is the process of ensuring that research data is stored, archived, or disposed of in a safe and secure manner during and after the conclusion of a research project. Now, in this chapter, there are some terms which are used. Number 1, mean. Mean is a number that represents a group of number. It is also known as average. The mean of a set of ungrouped data is equal to the sum of the observation divided by the total number of the observation. Or in short, we can say mean is equal to sum of all observation divided by the total number of observation. Now, then range. The difference between the highest and the lowest observation gives us an idea of the spread of the observation. This can be found by subtracting the lowest observation from the highest observation. The result is the range of the observation. Now next is median. The median, a group of number, is the number in the middle when the numbers are arranged in increasing or decreasing order. Now there are two methods to find out the median. Method number 1, when the numbers of observation is odd. When the number of observation is odd, we use the formula median is equal to value of 1 by 2 in bracket n plus 1th term. Now second method, when the number of observation is even, we use the formula median is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation. Now mode. Mode is the value of the variable observation which appears more often, that is the number whose frequency is the maximum. Now come to the exercise. Exercise 3a, question number 1. Question number 1 is the fill in the blanks. You can do it as a homework. Now we will move to the question number 2, which is find the mean of first 7 prime number. So the first 7 prime numbers are, question number 2, first 7 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now mean is equal to sum of all observation upon total number of observation. First we will do the sum of all the observation, means 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 upon total number of observation, which is 7. Now on adding these observation, we will get 58 and divided by 7. Now we will divide 58 by 7. We will get 7 is a 56, 8 minus 6 2, and 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Now we will put the point and we will write the 0 here. Now 7 to the 14, 20 minus 14 will remain 6, and this division will continue. So we can write 58 upon 7 as 8.2. This is the mean of the first 7 prime number. Now question number 2, find the mean of the given data. Now so mean is equal to sum of all the numbers, sum of all the observation, which is, we can say, 32 plus 41 plus 28 plus 54 plus 35 plus 26 plus 23 plus 33 plus 38 plus 40 divided by the total number of observation, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 upon 10. Now on adding all these observation we will get 350, and upon total number of observation which is 10. 0 from 0 is cancelled out, we get 35 as the mean. This is the answer. Now question number 4. Find the median of first 15 odd numbers. So first we'll write first 15 odd numbers, which is equal to 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 21 23 25 27 and 29. Now we will count the number of observation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now 15 is the odd number, so the median will become, so the formula of median we will use is 1 by 2 value of 1 by 2 bracket n plus 1 th term. Now 1 by 2 n plus 1 in where n is the total number of observation, which is 15. This is 15 and plus 1. Now 1 by 2, 15 plus 1 will become 16, and now 2 8 is 16, it will become 8th term. So now we will calculate the 8th term, which is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 15. So 15th is the 8th term, so the median is 15. Answer. Next, question number 5. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. Now we have to find the mode. So what is mode? Mode is the value of the variable observation which appears more often, that is the number whose frequency is the maximum. In this, the frequency maximum is 14 of number 20. So here mode will become 20. So 20 is the mode. It is the answer. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. The marks obtained out of 100 by a group of students in a science test are 85, 74, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 80 and 78. Find the mean. So first we have to find the mean. Now, question number 6, first part. Mean. So mean is equal to sum of all observation and upon total number of observation. So first we will sum of the observation. It will become 85 plus 74 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 80 plus 78 upon total number of the observation, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. On adding all these numbers we will get 730 upon 10. 0 from 0 is cancelled out, we will get 73 as the mean. Now second part, we have to find the median. So first we arrange the observation in ascending order. Arrange the order in ascending order. We have 39, 48, 56, 74, 78, 80, 85, again 85, 90, then 95. 5. Now median will become here total number of observation is 10. 10 is an even number, so for even number median is equal to the median will become 1 by 2 n by 2, it means 10 by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 means 10 by 2 plus 1th term. Now this will become 1 by 2. Now 2 5s are 10, similarly 2 5s are 10, this will become 5th term plus now 5 plus 1 it will become 6th term. Now this will become 1 by 2. Now 5th term is 1 2 3 4 5 78 plus 6th term is 1 2 3 4 5 6 80. Now we will solve 1 by 2. 78 plus 80 will become 158. Now we will cut it. 2 7s are 14, 1 and 8 become 18, and 2 9s are 18, it will become 79. So 79 is the median. Now third part, we have to find the mode. So first we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending form. As given below. So 39, 48, 56, 74, 78, 80, 85, again 85, 90 and then 95. Mode of the now here we can see there are 285. Now mode of this data, mode of this data is 85 because it occurs more frequently. Now fourth part, range of the marks obtained. Now to find the range we will arrange the marks in ascending order. So ascending order, arrange the marks. In ascending order, which is 39, 48, 56, 74, 78, 80, 85, 85, 90 and 95. Now we find the highest marks highest marks are 85 so 95, and the lowest marks is 39. Now range of the marks of the student will become range of the marks of the students will become 95 minus 39. 95 minus 39. Now 5 is smaller than 9. We will take carry from 9. It will become 15. Now 15 minus 9 will become 6. And here it will become 8. Now 8 minus 3 it will become 5. So range of the marks of the student is 56 marks. Now this is the answer. Now move to next question. Question number 7. First part. Find the median of 11, 2, 7, 3, 5, 9, 9, 10, 2. Now first we will arrange the observation in ascending order. Now question number 7, first part. Arrange the orders, arrange the observations in ascending order. We have 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 9, 10, 11. Here n is equal to 9, which is odd. So median will become 1 by 2 n plus 1 th term. It will become 1 by 2. N means 9. So 9 plus 1 term. It will become 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 10. Now 2 5s are 10. It will become fifth term. Now which is the fifth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term is 7. So 7 is the answer. Now second and third part of question number 7, you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question, which is question number 8. Find the mode. Now question number 8. Find the mode of 9, 5, 7, 6, 7, 11, 8, 10 and 7. Now first we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now arrange the numbers in ascending form. As given below. It will become 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here mode is 7 because mode of the data is 7 because it occurs more frequently. Because 7 repeated 3 times. Now second part, you can do it as a homework. Now move to